Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto announced the launch date of Danantara at the recent World Government Summit in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates.
This fund, which will be launched on the 24th of February this month, will invest our natural resources and state assets into sustainable high-impact projects across sectors such as renewable energy, advanced manufacturing, downstream industries, food production, etc. All these projects will contribute to achieving our committed target of 8% economic growth.
The agency is expected to consolidate major state-owned enterprises such as lenders Bank Mandiri, BRI and BNI, telecommunications giant Telkom Indonesia, oil and gas company Pertamina, electricity provider PT PLN, and mining holding firm Mind ID.
Danantara is intended to strengthen the role of SOE, for sure, because in the past we know that most SOE tend to be inefficient. So that's why I think by this super holding, the government can manage SOE assets more optimal, more efficiently, and then the government also can attract investment by leveraging these SOE assets.
Danantara aims to help reduce the country's reliance on foreign funding for government projects.
President Prabowo Subianto said that Danantara will receive an initial funding of $20 billion sourced from government-wide budget cuts and state-owned enterprise dividends. The fund's immediate priority will be kickstarting 15 multi-billion-dollar mega projects without tapping external financing.
In 2021, the Indonesian Investment Authority, or INA, was launched as the country's first sovereign wealth fund, managing more than $10 billion in capital and state assets. The establishment of Danantara is expected to lead to the integration of INA into the new agency. Observers expect Danantara to borrow more at the corporate level without hurting the government's fiscal deficit ceiling.
First is about the state loss. So any kind of a decline in revenue of the sovereign wealth fund previously confirmed as a state loss. So with this newly kind of the Danantara, even losses is not part of the state losses. So Danantara management can find more trust in building more relations with the investors, making technical regulations, and also help state-owned enterprise that previously hard to find investors.
Danantara is expected to have significant control over state-owned enterprises. However, to ensure accountability and oversight, the Minister of State-Owned Enterprises will chair Danantara's supervisory board.
We can have potential legal loopholes, could be also exploited for the corruption and for abuse of power. So we have to ensure that Danantara operates with a strong oversight and then strategic vision. Because again, with the strong supervision from the government, particularly from the president, this will improve or will maintain the investors' trust or confidence level.
Analysts cautioned the government to exercise careful consideration in selecting appointees to key roles within Danantara structure.
Members appointed by the government should be no conflict of interest. For instance, that when they're having like a electricity or renewable energy project that to be financed by Danantara, ensuring that the board didn't have a business with the conflict of interest in the coal industries, so there will be like more trusted from the foreign investors.
President Prabowo Subianto has invited former presidents Joko Widodo, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono and Megawati Soekarnoputri to join Danantara's supervisory board. However, analysts pointed out that their roles may be largely symbolic, and some have raised concerns about potential conflicts of interest given their ongoing affiliations with political parties. Saifulbahri, Ismail, CNA, Jakarta.